Oh, hi there. I didn't even notice you, happy camper. So, today we're going to be looking at rain, explaining how rain works. It's pretty wet today, as you can see. That's usually brown, and today it is darker brown. Oh, I'm slipping. So, rain makes slipperiness. That is one trait of precipitation. If you look up in the sky today, it is white, just like a cloud, in which it is. And the sky is full of clouds, and precipitation happens when clouds are very sad and they start to cry. And they must have been very sad yesterday, and it is very muggy and muddy, and I wouldn't walk down there. I don't want to ruin my fresh new kicks. They're pretty great. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. Hey, cameraman, over there, as you can see, there's some dying leaves because it's almost winter. It's very green in most places, though. That is the start of the winter revolution, though. And soon all of this will just be trees and no leaves.